guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am fishing in a pond in Dighton. This is called Muddy Cove Pond. This is a tricky pond because there's a lot of vegetation in this pond, so there's a lot of things that get snagged on. The water is pretty dark as well. Let's see what happens. So when I pulled up to this spot, I noticed there's a lot of bait fish on the surface of the water. Over here in this area, there's some bait fish over here, so I'm going to throw the pit boss in that area. Hopefully I can catch whatever's over there. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure it's a bass. Yes! You took that pretty good. He slaughtered that thing. Alright. Ooh. Pretty good, pretty good. Come on up in here. Oh yeah. What a tank. So he gave himself away over there because he was chasing the bait around, and I threw my pit boss right where that bait was, and boom, he nailed it. Awesome. Let him go. Cool. Yes. So that was so far the biggest bass I caught this season. The season's only 2 days old for me, but it was still, that was a really good bass. Okay, so the skeet green monkey is now out. And I'm going to keep on throwing these pit bosses until I hit 20. And you know what? To me, even though it's a pit boss challenge, I throw these all the time anyway, so I think once I even get 20, I'm probably still going to fish it. This is an awesome lure. This mimics a lot of things. Like this mimics a shad. This mimics a frog. It mimics a crayfish. So this lure mimics a lot of different things that are in the water to begin with. Even right down to a bug. You have any idea what a bag of 20 pit bosses smell like? Just opening the bag, it stinks. So these are scented. Ooh, how about this for a color for a minnow? This is called, I can on my glasses. This is called chartreuse shad. And that's what I am going to put on next. Skippity doo-dah, here we go. On the high side, let's see if I can do some more skipping. Skippity doo-dah. Alright, going way back there, awesome. There we go. It's small. It's small, but mine. Alright. Wow. These fish hang you up. Wow, a lot of cover from this hiding. Yeah. Oh, it's a pickerel, no wonder. It's not even that big. Here. Oh, good. Good. He released himself. Awesome. What an awesome guy. So, that last fish was a pickerel, and I caught him, but technically I'm not going to count it as catching him because he let himself go, is what I'm going to say. So he got off, which is fine with me because that means I can throw this chartreuse shad still color, which I think is a good color for right now. Alright, we'll probably do one of these moves. Here we go. Yes. Pickerel. Oh, that's a good sized bass. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Another decent bass, people. Yeah. Get the heck in here. Woo. All right. Here we go. I'll take this all day. This is definitely nice to be catching things like this. This one's a little bit smaller than the other ones I've been catching, but this pond is definitely producing. That means that the chartreuse minnow now is out of the competition. Which makes me sad because that's a nice color. What's this? You know, it's like, okay, I'll just use this. I don't even know what it says. Does it matter? Does it really matter what the color? This pond is just like on fire. This one's called Skywalker. Skywalker. So let me go over the rig I'm actually using. So this is 20-pound test monofilament line. I have it on a 3/0 wide gap hook, and I use a clench knot for the monofilament line. And for the braid, I use a double Palomar knot. There's still fish blowing up all around me. Okay, fish just jumped there. It's small. Okay, so let's get back to fishing. I've been throwing this Skywalker a little while now. I want to change another bait. Oh, there's something just went right there. Okay, it's over there. There he goes. I got whatever this is. Well, I had whatever that was. That was a bite, anyway. Okay. Skywalker. Catch a fish. Oh, I got it. Did I get a fish on the Skywalker? No, I still haven't got a fish on the Skywalker. Okay, so I'm going to end the video throwing the Skywalker color. Hopefully it's not a cursed color. I mean, it is getting bites, but it's not getting big bites. So, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.